What's up, guys? Today we are opening this jumbo box, 75 cards plus one pack, and we have a special guest, Hayden. Okay, so let's open it up. They hot glued it.
Yeah, let me see.
Do you see the hot glue?
Yeah.
That's weird. Can't really probably can't see it on the thing, but they did hot glue. We got it at Walgreens. You can get football or baseball cards there, or you can get some other stuff, but we got the football pack.
All right, Kate's going to get half, and I'm going to get half, and then we'll save this pack for last.
Ooh, it is a 1991 NFL Pacific Pro Football Plus 14 player cards. If I can get these right. Okay.
Well, I got a baseball card.
And a football pack. That's not right. A lot of these are old. This is a pretty cool card. It's, yeah, pretty cool. It's the first one.
I got Emmitt Smith.
Pretty good. Pro Set Platinum. Another one. I got 4 Pro Set Platinums. These are like older cards.
I got a pretty cool Peyton. Can't really see it, but it's really shiny.
That's a cool Peyton. Whoa. Pretty cool Ken Norton. He's beating up that man.
I got a rookie signature. Remember, guys, I got this rookie signature out of a $5 pack at Walgreens.
Buccaneers, Cowboys.
And it is a sticker signature.
Doing a lot of flipping this pack.
Nope, this is Scott Mitchell.
Here's another signature, but it's a copy signature. Can't really see it.
So my stack it had okay cards. Yeah, I already showed you this, but it's pretty cool. All right.
Time for the pack.
14. So we each get to show you guys 7 cards.
It did say contains 1 hit in the pack.
That was probably the same card.
Contains 1 hit out of 4, 1 for every 4. So hopefully we get another one. Perry Kemp. No good cards.
So the best one was probably the signed. Definitely the signed. We did get this Legends of the Fame
Fall.
A
Hammond Green.
But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you go check the Acres Boys. I just forgot what I was going to say. Oh, yeah. Pack opening, so you can see Hayden get another signature. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys, and until next time, peace.